What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another one. And today, you guys are going to see me doing some ice fishing. This video was from, well, a few weeks ago. We were actually fishing over St. Patrick's Day weekend, and we were in northern Minnesota, so we were actually doing some ice fishing. It was the last ice fishing trip of the year for me anyways, and it's been pretty slow around here. We haven't really been doing any fishing. We've just been kind of getting geared up for the fishing and hunting season to come. I'm super excited for opener. We were planning on going up to Leech Lake for opener. It looks like we might just be fishing around this area for now and seeing what we can hook up on there. But we do have a lot of other cool stuff planned, so I hope you guys enjoy that. But enjoy the video today. We're going to be doing some pan fishing, and it was super nice out that day. It was, I don't know, 50, 55 degrees. So we were just fishing on the ice pretty much all day. We met some really, really cool people along the way. They actually got their truck stuck. They maybe shouldn't have had their truck out there because it was so warm that day, but we helped pull them out with the four-wheeler, which I'll show you guys some footage of that too. So it was pretty neat. We got to meet some cool friends, and we had an absolutely great time. So stay tuned for that, guys. We'll show you guys the video here in just a second. There we go. How small is this? Oh man, that's little. Jeez. What in the world? We're just catching small perch today. Look at how small it is. Jeez. Wow, we're stepping it up a notch. See you later, guy. There we go. There it is. Oh my goodness. Another freaking small one. Thank goodness you got off. See you later, bud.
A few moments later.
That ain't good.
He buried that thing. I kind of did too. Well, looks like you're getting it.
Where's those mats at? Maybe you can put them in the back. Might help.
Yeah, the floor mats will help too. Well, it looks like these front tires are gonna push back up once we get her back another 6 feet. But
Did you jerk it, Derek, when you pulled it?
Yeah, you're good.
Did you give it a good jerk?
Yeah.
Maybe if you can do that again, you might. Oh, it's good.
get a little wet.
All right, dude.
I think.
Oh.
Okay. Ready?
No!
I think you might have to go forward or just not. I don't know. Maybe a foot or two, but don't go too far.
Yeah. Okay, ho!
The strap keeps coming unhooked.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go! You felt that bump?
Yeah.
Did it go at all? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Move your tire! Move your tire! Ho!
Keep going.
Go! Yeah! Go, Derek, you got it.
Oh. Woo!
Oh, you guys are the best.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow. Look at that. There we go. We'll take that, huh? They're suspended. They're not even on the bottom. There we go. Yep. Not too bad. Take that all day. And then they moved out. There we go. Oh, yeah. Sheesh. That's a big one. Look at that. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, yeah. Not too big, though. Just a little one. There we go. What's that? Here. I'll throw them down your hole for good luck.
A few moments later.
All right, thanks, guys.
Thank you. It's been an eventful day.
It has been.
You gotta come over here, Derek. There's just like schools of them.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta come over. Man, truck almost goes through. Checked by the game warden. Oh shit, they're moving out. I was just gonna show you how to catch them, but I don't think they're gonna come back now.
Oh yeah, there they're coming. He's coming. Look at that damn pole.
Well, hold on.
You ain't gonna get by. Fuck, you went by. You son of a bitch.
Not very big.
See if I can get one after another though. Oh, BT. Give me my pole back.
Alright.
Been fishing all day and I haven't got one.
I'll go fish a different hole.
Oh, they're gone now. There, she have them.
Well, getting pretty close. I don't think that's gonna show.
Oh!
You farmed them.
I swing and a miss. He was on.
There,
it
he's
is.
got them.
There it is. Hey, no wonder you're catching all the fish.
It's like
Whoa,
cheating, isn't
yeah.
it? Man, that thing's pretty big. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Here's a good one. This is crazy.
Huh?
What are you doing?
We're fishing here.
It's gonna pick up when it gets dark.
Oh gosh, yeah.
You guys want to leave now? No money.
There we go. This is a little guy, I think. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's a big guy. Jeez. Look at that.
Yeah. That's a
Ah,
pretty one.
crap. I'm all tangled up.
A few moments later.
This is a giant.
Do you have a camera? You want a picture?
I will take a picture.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
a good one.
they're over here too. Mm-hmm. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Oh, we got off.
See that?
See you later, buddy.
I like it. You turn it that way.
Yeah.
You see the fish?
Man, that worked perfect, huh? We haven't been doing that all day.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know that ice fishing's pretty much done unless you live really, really far up north, but it was the last trip of the year, and I just honestly didn't get to editing for a while. We've been kind of caught up in other stuff, just getting ready for this fishing season and getting the boat ready, and I actually just bought a jet ski, so if you guys want to see some jet skiing, I might hit the water early, even though the water's cold. We might give that a try, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a blast. I mean, we caught a bunch of fish. I mean, the ones that you guys saw was probably not even half as many as we caught. It was just really, really fun. Pretty much just hole hop and stick the live scope in and find the fish from there. So it was super, super fun. Like I said, you know, we got to meet some really cool guys. The one gentleman, I want to say it was like his father-in-law or something like that. He had dementia, and it was probably like one of his last, you know, fishing trips maybe ever. He was a pretty old gentleman and his balance wasn't super good, so we were actually able to give him a ride out there on our four-wheeler, which was pretty cool to get to see the guy do some more fishing, and you could tell he just loved it. So it was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that subscribe button, like the video, and put a comment down below on what other kind of content you guys want to see. It's much appreciated, and we will see you guys in the next one.